In this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to update FL Studio step by step without losing any of your files or settings. Once you've downloaded the update, make sure FL Studio is completely closed before continuing. I also recommend right-clicking the installer and selecting Run as Administrator to avoid any permission issues. Click through the setup. Next, accept the agreement. Next again. Make sure to disable the option for new settings. We want to keep everything as it was. Click Next once more. Now choose your VST plugin folders and continue by clicking Next. Once installation is complete, open FL Studio. Go to the Help menu, then click About. You should now see that the latest version is installed. You might be asked to re-register FL Studio. No problem. Just enter your image line username and password or use your license file to activate it. Now, if I go to the File menu, all of my folders are still there, exactly how they were before. My user data folder is also untouched. So after updating, everything stays the same and none of your settings or files are changed. That's it. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.